Question 4. For what value of x is the equation 2 times x minus 12 plus x equals 36? Okay, so again, this is an equation. Okay, we know that this is an equation because we have this equal sign here, right? Okay, so what we're going to do is use the numeric solver to solve. And so what we're really looking for is for what value of x makes this equation true. For what value of x makes the left side equal to the right side. So let's go ahead and solve this. Okay, so to get to the numeric solver, we are going to press the Mac key, tab up once to numeric solver, and we're going to press clear. If we have something in E1, which represents the left side, which is expression 1, and we are going to enter the left side of our equation exactly as we see it. Okay, so go on ahead and say 2, open paren, shortcut key for x is here, minus 12, close paren, plus x. We are going to tab down, clear out anything you have in expression 2, which is the right side. Go ahead and put in the right side. And now what you want to do is press this graph key for OK. All right, you're not done, so be very careful. We want to press the graph key one more time to solve. Okay, all right, so in interpreting this equation, this basically says when x is equal to 20, this equation is true. The left side is equal to the right side. So our answer is J. Okay, so hope that this was helpful. I'll see you guys in the next problem. Bye-bye.